Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into public.com, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type public.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Once the page has loaded, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Double-check that your email is spelled correctly to avoid errors. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so check your capitalization. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset it if needed. Once you have entered your email and password, locate the login button on the page. Click the login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your request. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an error, review your email and password and try again. If you still experience issues, consider clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. Once logged in successfully, explore your public.com dashboard and enjoy the features available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.